Boy, Monica, I'm so stressed out right now. I have two teenagers, a boy and a girl, and I'm telling you, they don't listen when I talk to them. They don't listen none at all. No matter how I talk to them, they just don't listen to me. I don't know what to do anymore. What do you mean they don't listen when you talk to them? Just the other day, now remember, which was one day before yesterday, I came by you and you were there talking to them, and you were so furious. You were so upset. I was wondering, I could hardly hear what you were saying. How you were upset while talking to them. Yes, most of the time when I'm talking to them, I am upset because they already pull me out. They already pull out my anger. So most of the time when I talk to them, I'm already upset. So when I'm upset, that's when I talk to them. I just can't take it anymore. And no matter how upset I get and I talk, they still don't listen. Oh my. Cher, you know that teenagers, that's a point in a human being's life where they are so rebellious. Yes. They think that they are always right. Now listen to me. If you want to talk to your teenagers, you cannot wait until you're upset. They won't listen to you, girl. The moment you sit a teenager down here and said, listen, the moment you started shouting, trust me, their ears, their mind, their brain, all shut down. They will never listen to you. You know what you're saying? Of course. Whenever I'm upset and I'm talking to them, it's like they just move, their spirit just move out of their body. It's like they're not listening. It's like they just shut me out. It's like they don't plan to listen. What can I do about this? Girl, I can tell you what you can do about this. If they made you upset, just find a little time and calm down. You have to calm down, and then you can sit them down and talk about the situation. Tell them that you don't like it. You're very disappointed. When you talk to them like that, calm, it's a lot deeper than you arguing. It don't seem serious when you're arguing. Like you're just cursing. So my advice to you is just wait until you calm down. You can sit your kids down and just talk to them, girl. Trust me, that strategy will work. I guess you're right. You know what? I'm going to try that strategy. I'm going to try and see if it will work. Definitely, because it sounds for real. I'm going to try it.